Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can turn on require follow request on your Mastodon social app. Okay, so by default everyone can follow you, but it's your privacy matter. You think that if someone try to follow you, then you just make the change. When someone follow, then you have to monitoring them. Okay, either you approve them or not. So how can you turn this on? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you need to click Mastodon social app or go to your Mastodon, and then go to here top right corner on your screen. It's called settings icon, so click on your settings and then scroll down little bit. Then here you can see the option account settings, this one. So click account settings, and then click here top right corner again, three line, this one. Click on this and click profile, this one, and scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option, this one, require follow request. Manually control who can follow you by approving follow request. Okay, so it means when someone follow you, then it will be pending, and when you approve them, then they can follow you. Okay, it's like a private account or private message like other social media. So when you click require you can see the change. When you click require follow request, then you can see here it's like a lock icon. Okay, so just check this. When you click on this, and it will be private like this. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today's no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.